Driven.
Ambitious.
Expansive.
Innovation.
Dynamic.
Professional.
Fast growing.
Best people.
And fun.
And fun.
Good fun.
Or the attributes you need to be a manager is you need to have a strong work ethic, you need to care for other people in your team, you need to be passionate about your customers, and a drive to succeed.
It's drive and determination and that competitive spirit that I've mentioned, wanting to achieve to be the best. If you want to be the best, you come to work for us.
Everybody wants to help everybody wants to do well for each other. So it has to be somebody who's a team player.
I think you need to be able to take responsibility. You need to be approachable as well to your staff.
I think you need to be a leader. I think you need to set the example for everyone within your team.
A believer of growing your people.
I think you need to have awareness of your staff's needs. I think you need to have empathy. I think you need to have confidence in your staff.
Eagerness, enthusiasm.
We can offer industry-leading training to new employees, which creates training, creates opportunity creates growth for our customers, growth creates an exciting environment for us to showcase the brands we represent and a good customer experience.
A huge part of our strategy going forward, training and the whole development of sales teams and our parts people and our management team is a huge part of my focus going forward. We customise our own management development programme, very much about the skills that our management team needs, whether it's team building, whether it's communication skills, whether it's HR kind of facilitation or marketing skills. We very much train our managers on those specific needs that they need.
You know, we spend hundreds and thousands of euros every year investing in training. We recognise that, we often really like people that come into our business who have no experience, because then we can mould them and train them.
Obviously the leadership conference that we took part in and we developed a couple of months ago.
I suppose the leadership conference, very unique, first time we've done it, but gave everybody a sense of the sharing of the vision as to where the company is going.
Yeah, fantastic event, and all the managers were involved with some great speakers, and it really set the forum for where the management team are going.
I've had 4 different careers within the group, so I was definitely a believer of that.
So where did you start off then?
Started as a trainee accountant 12 years ago, moved on to be financial accountant, moved to vehicle admin manager, and now I'm out helping set up our new businesses.
No different than both Jim and I. Jim came in as a young accountant and he's now the FD for the group. There's been huge changes in Jim over the years, as myself, who came in as a junior parts person to end up being a director in the business as well. I think that should show to everybody our intention and the intention within the group to grow and develop.
Lots of roles and lots of opportunities for our people.
And even some of the accountants who have qualified have ended up changing business functions entirely.
That's right, and something I'm very proud of. Some of the people I've brought into the business. Conical Duffy, the principal over at Joe Duffy. Claire Noonan is Group Vehicle Administration Manager. Hazel Lane, who worked with me, is our business manager in BMW, and Ian Doyle has recently started his apprenticeship as a trainee business manager. Definitely, I started 11 years ago. I've done several different roles, from junior sales exec up to group used car manager.
Was probably the main reason I joined the group in the first place. It's just my last position just stagnated and wasn't going anywhere. The position came available with Joe Duffy's. It was something that I took on that, yes, the role is the same that I had at the moment, but with a mind to progress. There is so many boxes for Joe Duffy, and the ambition is huge. They're going to move on and they're going to need people, so it's a matter of proving myself.
Identify what it is you want, and there will be a plan put in place for you to achieve that. That's the great thing I think about this group, is you identify where you want to be, and the group works and provides a plan, and Maria in HR provides a plan for you to get there.
It's a great process here.
Yeah, so it's not about where maybe the company wants you to go as much as it's where you want to go. The company enables that.
Super opportunities for me to grow, develop, learn and push myself, challenge myself. So yeah, absolutely, it's a huge amount of opportunity for anyone joining this group.
When both of us started as account assistants, so we've both already been part of the progression sort of model so far, and I'd like to think that, yeah, sky's the limit.
Of course, yeah, and I've seen it throughout the group, and even for people that the role doesn't suit, I believe there's plenty of other opportunities and other roles within the group as well. I think it's endless really. I think it's up to yourself, your ambition really at the end of the day.